Well, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair, and this is a functionality proof video for Y sustain board EBR75455701 for a 60-inch LG. This is a unique marking on the board that was left by the customer, initials BKS. I promised to make that video because even though we managed to get the TV to work, my Vizio remote, my LG remote is somewhere, so I'm going to be using a Vizio. This setup and this module has been shown on many of our other functionality proof videos. It's going to show up first here probably. There you go. And because I am with my other remote, this is the no signal, showing that it's moving around, and because I'm with a Vizio remote, I don't think I can pull a menu. Let me see. Maybe I'll have this menu. There you go. As we spoke over email, we don't think that this board is completely repaired, and we might be wrong about that, but I believe we are not, and this has been communicated to the customer. We believe the energy recovery circuit does not work because this heatsink remains cold and this one stays warm. We have seen similar problem with different sustain boards, not with this particular one, and we have spent 3 hours trying to figure out why that might be. Now, the end result of what will happen, if we are correct, is that the board will work for some amount of time, minutes usually, no longer than that, and then the accumulated energy that was not dispersed, which is the purpose of that energy recovery circuit, is going to cause overheating and failure of the board. I can confirm the problem is not with the parts. There's at least another sustain board here that has been replaced using the exact same pool of parts, and we repaired another one a couple of days ago for different customers. There will be a video, or we sold, I don't remember what was the case, but I remember making another video for such a board for different customers. It's not the parts, it's not. We checked what we could have checked again for 3 hours, and we just were unable. This board had less failure than usual, and we still replaced some of the parts that we have seen and that were replaced on those boards, but not on this one. So we offer the customer several options, and they choose to see it working and to take their chance with it. We believe it's not complete, but at the time being, we're behind with others, so we're catching up. Hopefully this is enough to show you that it is working, and wish you best of luck there.